Okay, so we've got the Beta FPV all set up. Got the wee man over there. We're gonna have our first test. Hopefully not too many crashes. I've got a wee assault course, which we'll work up to. Yeah. Let's see how it goes. I can't record, just let you guys show you what I see. As you can see, it went very well. I'm an expert. I'm a natural immediately. This thing's hard. Right, I'm gonna try it without the goggles for now. Loves that one. Oh, thank God it's durable. Okay, so I've been through 2 batteries. I've crashed every single time. I wouldn't even say I'm close to having a hang with it. I'm going to spend a day or 2 with it, see if I can get closer. I'm going to try and get through that eventually. That is the aim for now. Wish me luck.